Petrol 100, diesel 95. But what if I told you India's next fuel could come from Pani? Yes, plain old water. And no, this is not another WhatsApp forward from your uncle. This is green hydrogen, India's latest crush in the energy dating game. But is this a true love story or just a PR arranged marriage? Let's find out. So, India has decided that being late to the party is no longer cool. Enter green hydrogen, the new celebrity in the energy universe. It's got zero emissions, a big international fan following, and a name that sounds like a Marvel character. The government's big plan? To produce 5 million metric tons of this wonder gas by 2030. That's not a target. That's a मुझे कुछ करके दिखाना है Bollywood moment. In 2023, the government launched the National Green Hydrogen Mission or NHNC. No, not a cricket team or a coaching institute. This one's aiming to pull 8 lakh crore in investments and create over 6 lakh jobs. Imagine a whole battalion of hydrogen valley engineers roaming the streets. Also, they are calling it a mission. You know it's serious when they see politicians use words like mission. Even Mangalyaan is sweating. Not to be left behind, the government has added some classic masala, money. The SITE program, Strategic Interventions for Green Hydrogen Transition, yeah, it sounds like a Bond movie, is offering 17,490 crore to make electrolyzers and hydrogen. Incentives here, subsidies there. It's like Oprah yelling, you get a PLI, you get a PLI, everyone gets PLI. India's geography is practically shouting, hydrogen banao bhai. We have got sunshine, we have got wind, and let's be honest, plenty of unused land. What better use than turning them into green hydrogen hubs, right? Even our rivers are being eyed for electrolysis. Ganga is like, beta sab kuch utha ke le jaoge. India isn't just swiping right on hydrogen alone. Europe has joined the chat. In the latest phase of the India-EU climate partnership, both sides are discussing hydrogen like long-distance lovers, planning a joint bank account. The goal? To build infrastructure, tech partnerships, and maybe just maybe export a little desi hydrogen to European Sahelis. Meanwhile, the private sector is also throwing its hat in the ring. Enter India Hydrogen Alliance, IH2A, where big names like Reliance, JSW Steel, BP, and even Aramco are all sitting at the same table like it's the hydrogen version of coffee with current. Their plan? Build 25 green hydrogen projects, cut costs, and convince industries that hydrogen is hotter than coal. India isn't just making hydrogen for apne log, we are building ports, electrolyzers, and pipelines so we can export this gas faster than you can say global energy transition. Kandla is going all out, Tuticorin is getting ready, the Ministry of Ports is hyped, even ships might soon run on hydrogen, making Indian maritime energy look cooler than Sea-Link drone shots. According to Niti Aayog, India's hydrogen market will hit $8 billion by 2030. Our steel, fertilizer, and oil refining industries are getting serious hydrogen cravings. And internationally, everyone from Japan to Germany is sniffing around for clean fuel. India's early entry means we could go from importer to energy exporter. Global domination mode activated. So what do we have? Bold policies, subsidy swag, private sector bromance, natural resource jackpot, international flirting. India isn't just riding green hydrogen wave, it's building the surfboard, selling it abroad, and teaching others how to ride. If you are an investor, entrepreneur, or just a confused engineering student, remember this. In the future, the real energy dhanda might just come from water. अब चलने की जरूरत नहीं, चलाना सीखो, पानी से. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Is green hydrogen India's fuel of the future or just another green bubble?